student. Today I will start you first chapter of your reader book, that is Above or Below. The main character of the story is Nasiruddin Hoxha. He was also known as Mullah Nasiruddin. There are many stories about Nasiruddin Hoxha and all are very popular over the world, particularly in countries near the Middle East. One day, Nasiruddin Hoxha was very happy because the king had allowed him to use some of his land to grow crops. So he uses that land to grow crops. The land had given good crop. He sold that crops and earned a profit. But someone was not happy to look this. Who was not happy? The courtier. The courtier of the king's palace was not happy to look this. He was very jealous with Nasiruddin because Nasiruddin had lot of money. He thought himself that why should Nasiruddin have all that money? After all, the land belongs to the king, because as I have already told that king had allowed Nasiruddin to use some of his land. So the courtier thought himself, why all the money which Nasiruddin earned by selling that crops, all the money why he have? The land belongs to the king. He decided to go to the king and said to the king, Your Majesty. Majesty means it is a title. Majesty, it is a title used to speak about king or queen. He said to the king that, Your Majesty, you have gave permission to Hoxha to use your land to grow crops. He said that, please allow me to have half of the share of the crops from Hoxha, because now it is the time to sow the new crops, so that the money which will be earned by selling the crops will be useful for my family. The king agreed with the courtier. He ordered to the Hoxha that whatever the crops he will sow in this year, he have to share with the courtier. Hoxha followed the order of the king. So he asked to the king that which part does his courtier want to take? Means which portion of the crop, whatever the crop he will sow in this year, he want to know that which portion of the crop does his courtier want to take. The courtier was very excited, so he replied immediately that I will take the portion which will grow above the ground. He replied immediately that whatever the portion of the crop grow, he will take the portion which will grow above the ground. Hoxha agreed with the courtier. So the next year the crop is also good, and now the courtier was very excited. Why? Because he was excited for his share. That he know that this year the crop was very good, so he was very excited for his share. He asked to the Hoxha that where is my share? Hoxha replied to the courtier that your seer was in the barn. He was very hurriedly gone there, and after few minutes he came back from there and was very angry with Hodja because there was nothing in the barn except some useless leaves. He asked to the Hodja that what I will do with these leaves. He go to the king and complain against Hodja that your Majesty, I want the fair share of the crop from Hodja. Hodja replied to the king that I have given the fair share of the crop, as your courtier already had said that the part which will grow above the ground, I will take that part, and I have already given that part. And this year I have grew carrots, so I have given the parts which grew above the ground. Means above the ground means which part he have gone? Carrots. We generally know that carrot is a root, so it grow below the ground, and the part which is above the ground, that is leaves. So what we learn from the story? What is the moral of the story? That we should never jealous with others, and we should never take any decision hurriedly. So we end up our class with your assignment. Have a good day.